Hey everyone, welcome back to NetSection. Now in this video we are going to show you how you can convert a PDF file into a Excel file. That is, now to do this, first of all you will need to have a PDF file which you want to convert. For example, I have this PDF file and I want it to be converted into a Excel file. So to do this, I will first of all go to this website known as smallpdf.com. Now please note that this is a free method. You don't need to pay anything to do this method. Now go to this option named PDF to Excel. Now through this, by clicking on this, a page will open and you can see there is an option to upload the files here. So you can go ahead, locate the file in your computer, which is PDF, drag it and drop it right here, or you can choose file and browse to it. Now you can see it's uploading really fast and it's converting it too. So once it has been converted, which is really fast, you can click on this down arrow to download it and it will immediately download in few seconds. And it has been downloaded, so now click on this file to open it. Now as you can see, the file has opened up and the PDF file has now converted into a Excel file with everything in its right positions, and you can see the details have been filled in its right cells and arranged as rows and columns. So this is an extremely convenient and helpful way to do the conversion online without having to download or install any software, and the best thing is this is free. So if you want to try this out and if this video solved your problem, please give this video a thumbs up, recommend this channel to your friends, share this video with others who actually need help, and go ahead and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, tips and tricks, etc. Thank you for watching. See you next time.